Hi everyone, I'm so excited today. I want to share my new hair from Wendy Hair Company. This is my birthday present to myself. I got it at a discount because I got it during Wendy Hair Company's 10th birthday anniversary. This hair is Brazilian body wave. It has been colored number 22. That's another thing that you can do with your hair. You can color it, you can flat iron it, you can tongue it, you can iron it, you can do whatever you wish to your hair. This hair is from Wendy Hair Company, AliExpress number 324490 or 513777. 513777 or 324490. You get your hair delivered to your doorstep no matter where in the world in just 3 days. My hair does not tangle, it does not shed, it is soft and it looks natural. All I use is this